Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lonnie if you're new, and if you've been here before, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my very first Telfar bag. Yes, my first. Like, can we have a moment? Like, can we clap it up? Because your girl finally secured a Telfar bag. Like, it has been a struggle for the past year trying to secure a bag. Like, I would get on the site on the days he's saying it's dropping, get the bag, put it in my card, get to the part to put my payment in, go to press submit to pay. Telfar is like, no, sweetie, you gotta be quicker than that. They snatch it right out your card. So it's a whole race. It's the Olympics, okay, just to get a Telfar bag. But the bags are so cute. So for those of you who may not know what Telfar is a black-owned luxury brand, and it's by Telfar Clemens, and I believe he's from New York City. And he started in, I think it was 2005, but probably like within the last year or two, the bags have just become popular. Like, everybody want them. It's been a hot commodity, okay? So yeah, I'm excited because I can't believe I finally got a bag. And let me tell you what put the icing on the cake. So I have the yellow medium. So the yellow medium dropped on Tuesday, May 18th. So I go on the site, I'm ready, prepared, trying to get this bag. So I go on the site, put in my card, put my info in, press submit, your girl secured it. I'm so excited. So I probably secured my bag probably like at 9:02, 9:03. It dropped at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. And y'all know with the Telfar drops, the bags will be gone by 9:05. And that's kind of late. That's pushing it. It'll be sold out before that. So I secured my bag at 9:03. Yes, I remember the time because your girl was pressed because I needed this bag. Tell me why my bag was delivered Wednesday, May 19th at 10:03 a.m. Can we get a round of applause for shipping too? Because that's what I like. I'm the type of person, when I order something, especially offline, if I order something, as soon as I press submit, I'm waiting at the mailbox. I want my stuff now. I'm impatient. When you want something, you want it now. Like, I can't wait. So enough talking, let's get into this unboxing. So here's how the package came. Regular little brown box, nothing too special. And honestly, to me, I know it's a lot of people, they're big on packaging, they want the packaging to be cute. Give me the brown box. As long as the stuff inside is fire, I'll take the brown box. I don't care about the fancy packaging at all. Like, you can leave it. Okay, so when you open the box up, this is how it is. And I got a medium bag if I didn't already say that already. Okay. So the bag is in a plastic Ziploc bag with the Telfar logo. And it's also in the Telfar duffel bag. Well, duster bag, I'm sorry. And I love this whole duster bag thing. Like, when I buy a wig, I want it in a duster bag. When I buy shoes, I want it in a duster bag. When I get a bag, I want it in a duster bag. Like, it's so cute and it's good for storage. Okay, so getting some, ooh, so cute. Look at her. So cute. This is the yellow medium. This is so cute. This is I love the color. So I kind of wanted, before I get into like all the specs of this bag, I kind of wanted to show you all the comparison between a medium and a small. So my sister actually was able to get the azalea in the small, and I was so jealous. But let me show y'all her bag. Look at this. Like, I hope the color is picking up. Like, it is so cute. But let me show y'all the comparison in size. That is a big difference. Like, I really feel like it should be a bag in between the two, because this is a huge difference. But the mini is still cute, but the girl is tiny. So I'm gonna cut this white part. Okay, so it has the little strap here, so if you want to, you know, on the shoulder, or let me crossbody. You can wear a crossbody, but the only thing about wearing a crossbody, if you are plus size or booby, here's where it stops. It's going to be like right under your boob. So I don't think I will wear it as a crossbody, because it's not really, it's too far up. So if I was to wear it, when I wear it, I'm going to wear it like this. Show y'all the inside. So got, you know, regular stuff that be when you order. Okay. So this is the inside. It has a zipper pocket here, and then it has the button to clamp it closed. And I definitely, when I wear mine, I'm gonna stick these in here, because I don't want them out. Definitely gonna wear it like this. This is so cute, and it matches me a little bit today, but it's so cute. I feel like an it girl now, because I got me a Telfar. Like, okay, and so for another size comparison, I'm going to show you the medium. So this is my normal everyday bag. Put everything in here because it's spacious, everything can fit. So here's, and this is the large MCM Liz shopper. So this is the Liz shopper in comparison to the medium Telfar. So it's not too, you know, it's not too much smaller than the MCM shopper, but it's not as spacious on the inside, because it's more, it has more structure to this bag versus the MCM. As you can see, it's like droopy and all over the place. So I'm just going to show you all how much stuff you could fit in this bag. Okay. So first I'm going to start off with my laptop. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. My Nikon D3200. A tripod. My wallet. Makeup bag. And just to be even more extra, my MCM clutch. Put that all in there. Packed. But everything fits. So overall, you guys, I am very pleased with my purchase. I can't wait to wear this bag out, post some pictures for you guys on Instagram. So if you're not already following me, please follow me on Instagram at LEERICHIEE. I will leave it either on the screen or down below. But yes, you guys, I love my little Telfar. Oh my god, it's cute. It's so cute. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you like this little unboxing. And if you want more unboxings, please be sure to comment below. Let me know and I'll be happy to do that. So until then, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.